Research report is a medium to communicate research work with relevant people, and a written documents that communicate the objectives from hypothesis, methodology, finding, limitation, suggestion, and recommendation of a project to others. And the various sections of a research report are summary, background, introduction, and implemented method. Fully structured, and formal reports are long in size, and it stress the base objectives and descriptive in nature. And also formal reports are analytical and systematic in the term. And second type is written report. Written reports are the most common, and they are be classified in number of ways. For example, on the basis of length, short reports like progress report, or it may be a long report. Report can be classified on the functional basis as informational report and analytical report. Then next types is technical report. In technical report is a long report containing full documentation. Since everything is described in detail, it serves as source document for further research. And the content of technical report: result summary, research design, data analysis of data, conclusion, bibliography, appendices, and index. Then management report or popular report. A popular report should stress on the following things. Objectives should be stated in simple terms with clarity, and picture and graph should be short and direct. Then oral report. An oral report is the presentation of information through spoken word. It has advantage of interactive environment where there is a given and take of information. However, disadvantage of the oral report: there is no permanent record of the report. In case of written report, if the reader has any doubt or confusion, he can or she can refer back to the document and read it many times and at the place he or she. थैंक यू. अगर ये टॉपिक रिसर्च रिपोर्ट आपको समझ में आया है तो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हमारा होगा रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम. सो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल.